Identify the plural noun in "the trees are tall."
Trees.
Which word in "they are friends" is a pronoun?
They.
Identify the action word in "the dog runs quickly."
Runs.
Which word is an interjection?
Wow.
Identify the object in "Dad drives the car."
Car.
Fill in the blank. I dash my homework.
Did.
Which word is a noun?
Cat.
What is a group of sentences called?
Paragraph.
Identify the subject in "Mum cooks dinner."
Mom.
Which word is an adjective?
Tall.
Which sentence ends with an exclamation mark?
Look out.
This book is mine. Dash is very interesting.
It.
Choose the word that best completes the sentence. The boy is dash at drawing.
Good.
Identify the conjunction in "I like apples and oranges."
And.
Which sentence uses proper capitalization?
I like John.
In "we play at noon," which word shows time?
Noon.
What is the past tense of see?
Saw.
What is the opposite of rich?
Poor.
Identify the adverb in "the boy runs swiftly."
Swiftly.
Which word is a comparative adjective in "my pencil is longer than yours"?
Longer.
Identify the preposition in. The ball rolled under the chair.
Under.
Fill in the blank. We dash in 3rd grade next year.
Will be.
Which word is another word for happy?
Glad.
Which sentence is a statement?
I am coming.
Which word is a demonstrative adjective in. That apple is sweet?
That.